66 years old. I would have never thought that. Okay, I'm only kidding. I am only kidding. You are 6. I understand. Miles, I have 3 blue handkerchiefs here. Stay over there where everybody can see you. I have 3 blue handkerchiefs here. And what we're going to do is you're going to hold them and we're going to try to make something crazy happen. I have 1 blue handkerchief. I have 2 blue handkerchiefs. I have 3 blue handkerchiefs. Now, Miles. Oh, darn it. I forgot to turn this one into blue after my last show. Is it okay if we start by turning it into blue and then we'll do the trick? Would that be okay? So do me a favor, hold it, show it to all your friends, spread it out, make it really big. What color is it, everybody? Red. Are there any blue handkerchiefs hiding inside the red handkerchief? No. Are you sure? All right, so I tied these 2 together. We got 2 blues and 1 red. You're going to need both of your hands, Miles. So I'm just going to stick this right back here, and you're going to be like a superhero. Go, Miles. Okay, here we go, Miles. I'm going to roll up my sleeves. I don't want you to think I'm fooling you. Here we go. I'm going to put this red handkerchief inside my hand. Are you ready? Are you watching? Are you watching? Is everybody watching? What color is it? All right, Miles, watching? Are you watching? Are you watching? Now, you guys are all going to say abracadabra birthday. And Miles, I want you to wave both of your hands over time. Both hands. Practice. Wave, wave, wave. Yeah, good, 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 good. Give him a big clapping hand. Now, after we say abracadabra birthday, I want you to hit it like this really fast. Watch me do it. Not hard. Fast. Okay, are you guys ready? What color is it? Stuffing, stuffing, stuffing. You guys can wave your hands too. Everybody say abracadabra birthday. Wave, 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 wave. Now hit it, 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 fast, fast, go, go, fast, 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 whoa, 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 3 times. Oh, did I forget to tell you 3 times? Yeah. Okay, so be like polka dots or something, okay? It'll because it changes colors every time you hit it. I apologize. This is a pretty good. Oh no! I hate it when I mess up the first. Give him a big clapping. Way to go, Miles. I hate it when that happens. You know, I wish I had picked another trick. I wish I had, because the thing of it is what? Ah! How did you do that? Everybody give Miles a big clapping hand of applause. Give him another big clapping hand. This is a trick called the 20th Century Silks, and it's basically a set of gimmicked silks that allow you to do the trick. But I love it because it's audience participation really at its best, right? You kid a kid up on stage, you do a bunch of silly stuff with them. I like to use the birthday kid for this, or if I use my change bag opener with the 2 kids, then I'll use this for another kid later in the show. Or actually, maybe I won't even use this one because the silks are similar. I'll use it, I won't use that in the same show. So this is one of the things I use as my opener for my, like I call it my B show. And I love it. It stays in my bag. It packs really small. And I'll go ahead and show it to you. All right. So it is 2 silks, 2 blue silks. You count them, 1, 2, and then you have the red one. And I always make it, I forgot to turn it back into blue after my last show. So what that does is it focuses the energy on this. We're going to turn this one into blue, right? And when I give this to the volunteer to examine, people don't even think about these, because that's going to be the special one. That's why I make it. I'm going to do something special with that. These, nobody even thinks anything about. What they are 2 silks, but they're not 2 silks. If you look very closely, this one is a silk. This one is a little bit more than that. Okay, what it is it's sewn to have a pocket inside that holds the red handkerchief inside of it. Has a blue end on it, red handkerchief in the middle, And inside this little sewn pocket, there's a little hole where you can put the red handkerchief before you start your show. This is obviously your preset, right? You preset this. And what I do is I preset this like this. So you put the red all the way in, and then you let the blue end come out. And then what I do is I twist it a little bit, just like that, so that it holds that in there, so that there's no red that pops out. All right? And now it just looks like a blue silk. And that's the first one I bring out. First one, second one, third one. And the reason being, nobody's going to stop to think about that one. Second one, now all the energy's on this one. We're going to turn this one into blue. When they're examining that, I tie these two ends together. Okay? And it looks like I'm just tying the two, it looks like I'm just tying the two ends of the blue handkerchiefs. And that's what I say I'm doing. And in fact, that's what I'm doing. Tying the two ends of the blue handkerchief together. So I don't have to lie about it. That's what I'm doing. But I also want to put this in the back of the kid's shirt, right? I started doing that. We used to do it in the front. And then they suggested at McDonald's actually not to do that because the girls, little girls, put it in the back. So when I put it in the back, it's kind of quiet on the thing, but I bunch up this one and I leave this one kind of hanging out. So it's going to be like this with the real one hanging out mostly. So that's what goes behind the kid's neck. And I like doing the superhero. I turn them sideways. I put that in there, and then I lift this up and I go, "Da, da, da, da," just because it's a joke. It's a joke in between. So now I'm all set. Basically, the trick is done, that part of it. All right? It's all ready. And that's a wonderful thing again with magic, right? You want to have the trick completely done before the tricky time happens. Now this is a steal. It's basically the same steal as the SpongeBob steal I did where the SpongeBob goes to the cube. All right, what I'm going to do is stuff this into my hand and switch it to my other hand. Okay, so I do this by having the kids, I'm talking about, we're going to stuff it in, we're going to turn it to blue. I get the birthday kid, you're going to wave your hands and then hit it really fast. And I make a point to say fast, not hard, because I want them to hit it way more than 3 times. Just like it happened in this bit, I want them to keep going. Go, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, whoa, 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 3 times. It's a nice, again, magician in trouble bit. It's a magician in trouble bit. So the way I get rid of this is you let it come out here, right? So I'm going to stand up so you can see it. All right. I'm going to stuff this, stuff this, stuff this, stuff this. All right. So I just did it. All right. Stuff this, stuff this, stuff this, stuff this. So it comes out there and goes right into my other hand. And then I point. That's when I tell the kid, wave your hand, wave your hand. So I go like this, stuffing, stuffing, stuffing. All right, you ready? Wave your hand, wave your hand. And it's switched. Nobody even knows. So if you didn't see that other video with the sponge ball, watch it because it's a great trick. Stuffing, stuffing, stuffing with my finger now. What color is it? It's red all the way down. And then with my thumb, I put this hand on the bottom and I'm letting it, I'm hiding it, right? I'm letting it come out into my hand and then I point with that finger. Now I'll also turn a little bit. Turn just a little bit, stuffing, stuffing, stuffing. Now, wave your hand. I'll tell the birthday kid, wave your hand. And here's what I do. I bring that back to the kid so that he can wave it and start hitting and hitting, 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 hitting. What I'm doing is putting this in my pocket at that time. So I turn a little away to do the steal, like that. See how it shows? So it takes a little practice. But then I turn back to the kid and give him my hand so that I can take this hand and ditch it in my pocket away from the audience. All right, again, a big move covering a small move. That's, misdirection. That's hiding what you're doing, the tricky part of what you're doing, where they can't see it. All right, ready? Wave your hand. Wave your hand. Wave your hand. Now hit it. 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 Gone. All right. So those are the true tricky moves. You disappear that handkerchief into your pocket, and then when you pull it out of your hand, pull it hard and flap it down. Throw it down. And by throwing it down, it will let all of that out. So you want to pull it out and go like this, and it'll pull that out of there. And then I act like I don't see it. It's selective sight. I act like I don't see it. And then when I turn, boom, now I see it. A lot of times the kids will grab it, like this kid started to grab it, so that they're holding it. And when I get excited like that and they're holding it, it's a great, and boring, give yourself that boring, how did you do that? I always make the kids the magician, not me, right? But the visual of it leaving, gone, disappeared, and reappearing behind their back, that's powerful. That's powerful magic. Now, I'll also tell you that I've been caught before ditching the handkerchief in my pocket. And truthfully, I love it. If somebody catches me ditching the handkerchief in my pocket, I will pause. Normally, you don't acknowledge it. I will acknowledge it. I'll stop and say, "What? You think I put it in my pocket? Darn, I hate it when kids catch me at the trick." And then when I pull that out and it reappears, and then I look at them and I go, "Ha ha ha," because they thought I put it in my pocket, which I did. But when it reappears in the kid's back, it's like I double got him, right? I double got him. So this is a great trick. Have fun with it. I'm going to be putting a bunch of stuff up on how to better promote your magic shows and all of that kind of thing. But I just want to get all these show bits out of the way first, and then we'll do a whole bunch more on business, a bunch more on balloons. I'm going to do lawn games. I'm going to do stilt walking. I'm going to do bubbles. I'm going to do a whole bunch of stuff. So keep coming back, subscribe, and check out my coaching site. I have a great review on my last coaching client who said that I gave them way more than they expected, and that I tailored it to their business, which is exactly what I'm trying to do. So have a great day. See you again.